Let's meet the lovely class of grade 6. This class is the loveliest class that Miss Smith has the pleasure of teaching. This is also the smallest class that Miss Smith teaches, so they are the quietest out of all of her other classes. Miss Smith teaches 5 different classes. Miss Smith's noisiest class is the not-so-lovely class of grade 4. There are so many naughty students in that class. In grade 6, we have Rachel and Sarah. Rachel and Sarah come as a package as they are best friends. They have been best friends ever since their first day of school. Rachel and Sarah are so different, but that's what makes their friendship work so well. Rachel is taller than Sarah. Sarah is shorter than Rachel. Sarah is actually the shortest girl in the class, while Rachel is the tallest girl in the class. Sarah's hair is shorter and straighter than Rachel's. Rachel has the curliest hair you have ever seen. Rachel's hair is so beautiful. Rachel is older than Sarah. Sarah is younger than Rachel. Sarah is the youngest student in her class. She hates this. The oldest student in P6 is Bruce. It makes him feel like he can boss his classmates around. Miss Smith always reminds him that just because he is the oldest in the class, it does not mean he can do that. Bruce wishes he was the tallest in the class too. The tallest student is Jake. Jake has a twin brother, Dylan. Dylan is slightly shorter than Jake. That's how people can tell them apart. Another way people can tell the difference between them is by their hair. Dylan has lighter hair than Jake. The student with the lightest hair is Lily. Lily is one of the brightest students along with Rebecca. They are both very smart. They always compete to see who is smarter. They want to be the smartest student in the class. Lily is better at math than Rebecca. Rebecca is better at English than Lily. Miss Smith always reminds her students to never compare themselves to anybody.
The only person you should compare yourself to is you.
Katie likes to make fun of Miss Smith's motivational quotes. She thinks they are so funny. Katie is known to be the funniest person in the class. Katie gets annoyed with Alex, who always tries to steal her jokes. Alex wishes he was funnier than Katie, but unfortunately, it's just not true. Alex has his own strengths. He is the strongest swimmer on the swim team. In his last competition, he won first place. He was rewarded with a gold trophy. David and John are also on the swim team. David can swim further than John. John can swim faster than David. They have the best group of swimmers, just like Miss Smith has the best group of students. Now that we've met the loveliest class of P6, let's let them get back to learning.
Right, where were we? Ah yes, comparative and superlative adjectives.